Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to Lenovo Robot Vacuum Cleaner E1 with other family members or friends. And to do this, first we'll need to pair our robot with Lenovo app. I shown you previously on how to do it in my setup video. Then when it's ready, we need to click on this pen button in the top right corner of our screen. Here select share device. Now you'll be able to customize the settings so we can share with the account Lenovo Cleaner. Click on add and then change your region for the account that you want to share it with and enter the account name. Then other option for it to happen is to go back. Here we can share with others and enter an amount of persons or persons that you want to share this robot with, and then choose on how you will do it. You can send a message, you can copy the link, or you can click on more to see all of the options and just send the messages to the person that you want to share this device with. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.